What's up? It's Zen, the brown Zen Tarzan, taking over the wilderness. Remember, keep healthy. You want to make sure you spend a lot of your time outside. Get close with nature. Touch the dirt, the tree limbs, grass, everything. Move with nature. Entice with nature in your bones. Go minimalist. Go either nude or go with the least amount of clothes and connect yourself with nature and Mother Earth. This is a way to improve your well-being, your fitness, everything. It's such a must. And I want to get on here and show y'all the way to move with nature. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and tune in every month, every day, every week to something new I'm going to bring to you to move with nature even more. Zen. This is Zen, the brown Zen Tarzan. Now let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Move. Find your energy and find your movement.